Okay, there's an alternative equation of a straight line, y equals y minus b equals m bracket x minus a. So y minus b equals m bracket x minus a is the equation of a straight line. So it's a second equation of a straight line that we can use. It's sometimes more useful. So y minus b equals m bracket x minus a is the equation of a straight line. Where m is the gradient and AB is any point that lies on the line. Okay, so let's try some examples. Example 1, we're going to find the equation of the line with gradient 1/2, and it's passing through the point 5 minus 2. Okay, so let's first of all label the point. So that's the point AB. So there's A and there's B. We know that the gradient is 1/2. Y minus B equals m bracket x minus A is the general form. I'm then looking to sub in A, B and M. So it's going to be y minus, well, we can see that B equals minus 2. So it's y minus minus 2 is equal to the gradient 1/2 bracket x minus A, which is 5. So the two negatives together, that becomes a plus. So that's y plus 2 equals 1/2 bracket x minus 5. Okay, I'm then looking to get rid of this fraction by multiplying through by 2. So that's 2y plus 4 is equal to, well, if I double the half, that just gets rid of that and leaves me with 1 bracket x minus 5. Open that up, 2y plus 4 is equal to x minus 5. And then I can throw that 4 across. That will be 2y equals x minus 5 minus 4, and that will be 2y equals x minus 9. Final answer. Okay, next question. We're going to find the equation of the straight line. Passing through point P, which is minus 2, 0, and the point Q, which is 1, 6. Okay, so the first move is to find the gradient. So m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And let's just label our coordinates. So that's x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so that's going to be 6 minus 0 over 1 minus 2. Okay, so y2 minus y1, 6 minus 0 over x2 minus x1, 1 minus 2. Okay, so 6 minus 0 is 6. The two negatives become a plus, so 1 minus 2 is 1 plus 2. So that's 6 over 3, and the gradient of the line is equal to 2. Now, we can use the equation y minus b equals m bracket x minus a when we have the gradient in any point that lies on the line. Now, any point that lies on the line means that I can choose that point or I can choose that point. It doesn't matter which, I'll get the same answer. So you don't need to think about it too much, just choose one of the points. So I'm going to choose this one here, and I'm going to label that A, B. So A being 1 and B being 6. Put it into y minus b equals m bracket x minus a. Okay, so it's y minus 6 equals the gradient, which is 2 bracket x minus a, which is 1. Open flip it up, y minus 6 equals 2x minus 2, bring that across, change its sign, y equals 2x minus 2 plus 6, and that's y equals 2x plus 4, final answer. Okay, example 3. We're going to find the equation of the line. Joining A minus 4, 5 and B 3, 7. Okay, first of all, let's find the gradient. So that's going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that's x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, that's going to be 7 minus 5 over 3 minus 4. Okay, so it's 7 minus 5 over 3 minus 4. 7 minus 5 is 2, 3 minus 4 is 3 plus 4. And that's 7, so that's 2 over 7. Okay, so we've got the gradient, and we need any point that lies in the line. So at random, let's just choose one of the points on the line. I'm going to choose that one there and call it AB. And y minus b equals in bracket x minus a. Y minus b, that's 7, is equal to m, that's 2/7, bracket x minus a, so that's x minus 3. I'm then going to eliminate that 7 by multiplying through by 7, so that will give me 7y minus 49 is equal to 2 bracket x minus 3. I'll get rid of the 7 on the bottom there, the denominator. 7y minus 49 equals 2x minus 6. I'm then going to bring that over, change its sign. 7y equals 2x minus 6 plus 49. Final answer, 7y equals 2x plus 43. Okay, so now you try these three. Find the equation of the straight line given A, B and C. So for each pair of points, find the gradient, and then choose one of the points, call it AB from each one, and sub in to find y minus b equals in bracket x minus a and simplify your answer. So you should look for 3 different answers there. Okay, so one more example. Find the equation of the line that is perpendicular to the line joining A 1, 5 and B 3, 9, 3, 10 rather, and passes through minus 1, 4. Okay, so keyword there is perpendicular. Okay, so there's a line AB, and we need to find the gradient of that line AB. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so there's x1, y1, x2, y2. So it's going to be 10 minus 5 over 3 minus 1. Okay, so that's 5 over 2. So the gradient of the line AB is 5 over 2. Now, the gradient of the line that I'm interested in is a line which is perpendicular. So what we need to invoke at that point is m1, m2 equals minus 1, and think about flip and invert. So the line which is perpendicular then, flip the 5 over 2, change its sign, we'll have a gradient of minus 2 over 5. So I've got a gradient of minus 2 over 5. I know that my line passes through minus 1, 4. So into y minus b equals in bracket x minus a, and label that AB. So y minus 4 equals minus 2/5 bracket x minus 1. So it's y minus 4 equals minus 2/5 bracket x plus 1. Okay, so let's get rid of that. Divide by 5 down the bottom by multiplying through by 5. That will be 5y minus 20 is equal to minus 2 bracket x plus 1. 5y minus 20 equals minus 2x minus 2. Bring that over, change its sign. 5y equals minus 2x minus 2 plus 20. Final answer, 5y equals minus 2x plus 18. So let's just talk through that one again. Okay, so find the equation of a line that is perpendicular. So perpendicular, we know that's going to involve m1, m2 equals minus 1 and flip and invert the gradient. So it's perpendicular to a line joining A and B. So first of all, we find the line, the gradient of line AB, x1, y1, x2, y2, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 gives me 5 over 2. I know then that the gradient of my line is perpendicular, so I flip the 5 over 2 to minus 2 over 5, and I write down m1, m2 equals minus 1. So I've now got the gradient. I've got a point that my line goes through, so I use gradient in AB and put it into y minus b equals m bracket x minus a. Final answer, 5y equals minus 2x plus 18.